Morning campers. It's I don't know what it is, Saturday. I think it is. It might be Saturday. Is it Saturday? Saturday it is, but it's 9:50, something like that. We're at Beckfoot, just along the road up on the dune. It's 21st of August. Or that. Yeah. So it's a fucking horrible day. I haven't done anyone in bed for a while, have I? I slept really well last night. Let me have a little look at the window. We're in a bit of a situation here. I just got a message from Eve, and she said it's a bit wet this morning. There's a family down there, but we're up here. Oh, hang on, I can't see, can you? Sorry, man, I haven't looked at the other door yet. I've opened it, let some air through. And but this bank, this slope here, if we drive off of here today, I wouldn't think, and kids are loving it, eh? I wouldn't think we'd get back up here. So if we're gonna stay here, we need to stay here. If we're gonna go, we need to go. But we can't go off in one van because we won't be able to get back. We get back up the hill. Because it's like a bit of a grassy slope, and it'll be quite difficult, I should imagine. Anyway, there's not much to say. There's not much to show you. It's a bit. What do you call it? Let me get you. Let me show you the other side just for fun. But the water's in. We've got a job to see Scotland. Morning. Job to see Scotland. There's somebody down there fishing. Down there. I think she's gone for a pee, and I've disturbed her, so I better get back in. And that's it really. There's not much to say. It is raining because I got bloody wet then. So back in the scratcher for a couple of hours. Speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy. No fighting. Love you all. Bye bye. And you skins.